Hey folks, how we doing? Just want to show you something I worked on today, and forgot how what a pain in the ass actually is to design and make the whole new friction folder from scratch. And did a pretty sweet one of my favorite shapes and designs that I did in the fixed blades, and it is that I used to call them puffers. I don't even know why. I guess because the first one reminded me of puffer with the handle material. So here it is. This is the red marble carbon fiber from Composite Craft. Nothing is finished yet. Nothing. It's not even like really nicely finished. The handle carbon fiber, just screwed. I must have drilled the pivot hole pretty crooked, but I still have space there because right now I actually had to hammer the pivot pretty tight. So I might be able to fix that. That's the centering. The hole has to be crooked in here. In this, either that or the holes in the handles, one or another. Something is drilled crooked. Because I double checked the grind, and the grind cannot be this much off. I would have to not grind one side and grind just the other to get this much off centering. And here's the whole blade. Now, like I said, this is one of my favorite designs. I like this one. Full high convex, and this is actually CPM S125V. So pretty high-end steel, very comfortable. You know, this is for me. This is gonna be mine, and I'll see. I just got the big shipment of ABL. I'll see if I will do maybe more of this out of cheaper steel and a couple different handle materials. It's tricky. This is the regular design with the regular, like a stop in and here, not like I used to do before. This is a little more trickier because you have to do those grooves inside. They're pretty challenging. Might be a little easy if I positioned the stop in a little differently, but it did work out on the end. Now, what is this? This is a 3-inch blade, pretty much exactly 3-inch cutting edge. And tip is not there yet because I don't want it to break on the heat treat sometimes when it drops or stuff, so I left it. That was actually the end of the steel, and I'm planning on once it comes back and when I do the final grinding, just drop this off down. I've seen many knife makers do that. Don't do the tip actual completely to the nice and fine tip because it can break off if somebody handles it wrong. So let me know what you think, guys. Like it's very simple construction. One 3/8 to 3/16 pivot on the end with the bushing to create kind of like a standoff, 1/4-inch pivot, and then 3/16 stop in. These are button screws. This is what is that called? The one that you countersink screw. And I like it. I'm very happy with this one, except the fact that the centering issue. But other than that, I think it's pretty sweet. It has pretty good handle to blade ratio that I like the visual of it. So it's not perfectly fitted here. I'm actually thinking maybe I'll do an exception. I will put the jimping here just because I think it would look pretty cool along the whole tank. Just a slight little, like a micro jimping. So let me know what you think, guys. I personally think it's pretty cool. And like I said, it is one of my favorite designs. It's, kind of like this, just wider, but you get the idea. It's the same design but wider still, so you get a little better curve on the end and stuff like that, but the overall idea of it, the handle design, the blade design, the drop point, spear point is the same. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and remember, don't cut yourself.